Yo, I think it's about time to have that conversation, man. It's about time to talk about this Air Jordan 4. And I'm telling you, bro, it's been very, very weird in terms of going back and checking the sneakers that we have gotten in the past and just seeing kind of how the resale's doing. It's kind of based off what we've seen in the past. We got to chop it up about it because I think these right here might turn into another one of those. Get them now before it gets out of hand and it shocks everybody, man. So let's talk about it in today's video. What's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video, man. Your boy The Vintage is back. We are back here with another one of the ones, man. If you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking out with the vibes, man. Go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these videos. I'll really be trying to help you guys out. In terms of just keeping your eye out on certain sneakers. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes, bro, sometimes we've seen in the past, shoes just shoot up and go crazy in the resale market. And I don't want you guys to be in one of those situations where you're trying to wait it out. You think it's gonna keep going down, but I highly doubt it with certain sneakers. That's why I come on YouTube and talk to you guys about it, man. But again, sub up and notification bell, and please, man, everybody watching, man, run them likes up, especially if you're enjoying the content, you're rocking out with your boy The Vintage. And it's a great day today, man. So do your boy a favor and hit that like button right now. You watch it, bro. All right, man. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So I know you guys pretty much probably know what I'm talking about. We heard rumors of restocks. We've gotten restocks. But I think all of that stuff is about to come to a complete end. And this one will start to go up. And you guys are going to feel me when y'all hear me, bro. Just hear me out. Just hear me out. And when I kind of give you guys why I think this, this is that, you let me know after that in the comment section, man. But you guys should know exactly what we do have here. Probably gonna go down as a top shoe of the year, and that is the Air Jordan 4 white cements. Now these things right here, bro, we've got like 3-4 restocks from them so far. Around the drop day, people were just super excited about the sneaker, and so the demand was already high, and it kind of, I feel like the stock did match the demand. You know what I'm saying? I don't think that Nike made these limited. I feel like they put all their energy and efforts towards producing a bunch of Air Jordan 4 white cement OGs. I don't know why, but maybe it is because it is an OG, and we've been waiting on these since 2015 or 2016. I think it was 2016 last time we got these. But these joints right here are still sitting around 230, 240 bucks on StockX, and on GOAT, it's going for around like 240, 250 in most sizes. And I want you guys to remember, about a year ago, we got the Air Jordan 4 Bread Reimagined, and they were sitting around that same type of price, around 240, 250, and then you start to see, them restocks start to, slow down, and you ain't hear about no restocks for a while, and you see people start wearing them a bunch. You know what I'm saying? That made people want the shoe even more, which end up raising the resale value on those Bread Reimagined. I do believe the same thing is going to happen for these 4 white cements, man. And I want to come back to this video maybe about 3 months from now, and I want to see kind of how it's doing, because you got to think, this shoe didn't sell out instantly. There were pairs sitting everywhere. You guys seen the vlog. You guys seen a bunch of YouTubers talking about this shoe. You seen some pairs probably sitting around to this day, but the price is still sitting around that 230, 240 mark on most reselling platforms, the most sneakerhead. And most people are still paying that price to get a pair, to get that double up, to get that triple up, because this is one of those ones you can wear with literally anything. Along on top of that, you can wear with anything. We have back to school coming back up, and I'm telling you, bro, the summertime is when you start to see prices on certain shoes just take off. It just happens time and time again. It's almost like it's clockwork, bro. History repeats itself, especially with Jordan 4s, especially with Jordan 1s. And you guys seen it before with the Bread Reimagined. You've seen it with the Air Jordan 3 white cement reimagined. Some of those shoes you can wear all throughout the year. Some of the shoes you can wear whenever you want, don't matter the season. And the white cement 4s is definitely one of the ones as well, man. And I want you guys to let me know in the comment section, what do you think about kind of what these are gonna do? Again, we ain't seen these drops since 2016. We got one of the retro in 2025. And you already know, bro, we probably ain't gonna see these for another 7 or 8 years. Not pretty sure we won't see them going back to the Jumpman, but if they do, that'll be the next one that we do get. Then that'll give us a back-to-back Nike Air if they stay consistent on how they've been releasing them. But the 2016 had the Nike Air. These have Nike Air, so we might not get that Jumpman on the back. But again, we're not gonna get that nice Jordan 4 cut probably again. You never know, bro. The CEO, the Nike CEO, Jordan Jumpman, they just be switching up like crazy. And I think this one probably is the best one out of the two. This overall, this might be the best one out of this one in 2016, in my honest opinion. The speckles on the Nike Air, the quality on the leather is not that great. It's not that great, don't get me wrong, but it's not as stiff as the pair that I released back in 2016. That's just my personal opinion. You guys can see them. They're up there. Didn't have them for a while, but I think this one probably is the better one out of the two. And people still want the Air Jordan 4 white cement, bro. It's an easy shoe to wear, bro. You know what I'm saying? And again, back to school time frame is when them prices start to tick up. So if you still on the fence, you still have not gotten a pair, go check your pair on eBay. Go check it on Go check it on StockX, wherever you do want to check. Just kind of see where it's at. If you're still on that fence for a couple months down the line, I cannot wait to see what these are going to do. But typically with Jordan 4s, with OG colorways, or even with the white cement OG reimagines, the black metallic 5 reimagines, these shoes have been going up out of nowhere. And that's because Nike is cutting the stock on pretty much everything. We ain't getting no crazy GRs that we got the past 3-4 years, bro. They're literally minimizing all of the stock that we have been getting. And there's rumors about, you know, pretty much all the rest of the year's drops being it's almost like it's cut in half. I remember like the, what shoe can I think of? You guys can help me out, but we've seen some of these OG colorways come back out. You hear like 300 some thousand, 400 some thousand, and every year this stock is going down. That's because Nike losing money. People ain't buying shoes. Shoes is instantly hitting the outlets. But for this one right here, I do not see that one happening at all. But I just don't see it happening in terms of the price going backwards. It's the OG. It's the white cement, and people love these things right here, man. So again, don't wait too late, bro. And don't wait until 3 months down the line. You're like, yo, the vintage, literally, he called it, bro. And I think that these will tend to go up even more over the next couple months. Back to school, we got Christmas coming up. We got all that stuff, bro. And again, the demand going to outweigh the stock that we have. Yes, bro. People going to be wanting to get these things into the collection finally. So let me know down below in the comment section, man. What do you think about the Air Jordan 4 white cements, bro? One of them ones, you had to have them. And again, I was in that, you know, situation where I was with a couple of the homies. They doubling up, they tripling up. I said, man, I am not doing it. But I do think I probably should have got another pair to see how, you know, the resale going. Again, I told y'all about this for the Air Jordan 1. You in LA's, the I'm back, Chicago's. I got 2 pairs, and I'm only keeping that one just to see kind of how it does. I think that has a lot of potential. But again, I think the Air Jordan 4 white cement will shoot up out of nowhere. These shoes always tend to go up. But let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm here for you guys. You know, I respond to every single comment, and I enjoy chopping up with you guys in the comment section. If you got anything personal to ask me, bro, you got any questions you don't want to put in the comment section, you want to chop it up, man, hit me up on Instagram. All my subscribers that feel, you know, free to hit me up, I always respond to you guys. I'm not too big for nobody. So if you got any questions, comments, or concerns you don't want to put in the comment section, bro, go hit me up over on IG, linked in the description box. But I appreciate all the support. Again, thank you guys so much for tapping in. Air Jordan 4 white cements, what y'all think? I can't wait to read y'all comments. And with all this being said, man, your boy, The Vintage. I want to catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.